Miracle, what are you doing up there? Come here. Come here, baby. What are you doing on that? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, this is be difficult. No, you're not taking my shoe again. No. No, you can't have my shoe. Oh, right. Come on. I wanted to be ahead of him to sort of make different videos, but he does not like for me to get ahead of him. But I did it. And he just stopped. Come here, Miracle. Come on. Here he comes. Here comes Miracle. There we go. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, Miracle. He wants to go at his speed, not my speed. I want to move it along. Oh no, I'm tangled in the grass. Hey, Miracle, you like climbing up this sometimes? Miracle, look at this. There he goes. I just knew he had to see it. He'd go up there. There's Miracle. 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 Who's cute? Oh, there he goes, and he's down. And there it goes. It was brief. And he's found the grass. I thought he'd stop and chew the grass some. You can tell like there's a little trail right through here. It's hard to tell on camera, but it's an indentation where a small animal has been going through there up into that thicket. And as I suspected, it's time for grass. Thanks for watching, everyone. I truly do appreciate it.